All right, here we go. You feel any pain? Any pain?
No pain.
Okay.
I can feel the every time it hits, but no pain.
Okay, I want to find any sensitive areas. Again, I'm going to try to go slow now after I spread it all. Four clicks. I wish he had better feeling in his feet because I think that he'd be able to tell me where the tender spots are. But otherwise, we're just going to...
Be like more right in there.
Again, it's link dependent. So the farther away the blood supply, the weaker it is, the weaker the flow. There's an artery, there's a vein, and there's a nerve, right? Any pain in here?
Not really. Maybe a little bit over next to the small toe.
Anything in here?
Got one on there.
I'm trying to get good blood flow all the way down there.
They told us the blood flow was good going down, it's the uptake that's the problem.
It might be. I think it's bad both ways. It might be worse going back. But look at the difference in these 2 feet after that. Right? That's angiogenesis. That's how quick it happens.
What's the layman's term for angiogenesis?
Improving of blood supply.
Okay.
Increasing blood supply.
It's almost like he's got a sock now.
Yep.
You can see it.
Where it's
You
helped.
see it? Yep.
And how we opened it up.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see you walk.
Okay.
All right, after your first stem cell machine treatment, what do you think with your feet? Tell me. What do you notice?
A lot of improvement.
Well, how come? Less pain? What?
Yeah.
You feel like a better balance? What?
A little bit.
Okay, good. 60% of your balance comes from your feet. We'll check in with you after you do the light.